Do a short video today. Finally got my Marlin 1894 357 Magnum and my 357 Magnum Peacemaker out to the range. Uh, Rain took a little bit of a break and I got out, got to shoot them a little bit. The Marlin, I'm shooting at a Bigfoot still. I was told that it's 175 yards. Now, I can't verify that. I can tell you that it's a long distance. And if you listen carefully, you can hear the steel ring whenever it hits it. And I hit it several times. I don't know how big the Bigfoot steel actually is because I've never walked down there to measure it or check it. And nobody could ever tell me how big he was. I just looking at it, probably 24 inch, most likely. But it looks tiny whenever you're looking at it from that bench. The Peacemaker, I was just shooting at a paper target. At some point in time, when I get a little more comfortable at the range with the camera, I'll do a few other things. Right now I'm just kind of getting everybody used to seeing me there with it. It's not something that normally happens at that range. It is a private range, it's not public. Now anyone can join, of course, but there's not just somebody that just walks in and starts shooting. There's rules that you have to follow. So I've got to be careful with that. I try to let the range officers know what I'm doing, and that way they're okay with it. But later on I'll do some different stuff. I just thought I'd make a short video and attach the range videos to the end of this. So enjoy and thanks for watching.